Hey everybody, Captain here from Doghouse Racing. Today I'm going to make some more of these tank rubbers for the TZ250. Okay, I am not going to make this today. Apparently this will get hard once you open it. Part B seems okay. Part A, not so much. Alright, it says right on here that important, in bold, limited shelf life. Use as soon as possible. I've had this for, I don't know, maybe a couple of months now. When I originally did the testing to make these pieces. These are the tank rubbers for the reverse cylinder TZ250, the ones without the bits that go into the chassis. So I think I need to get some more of this and prepare and do them all at the same time when I do it the next time. See y'all later. Have a good one.